Today, I'm going to show you how to model this cross connector in Blender. First, press Shift-A and add a cylinder with 16 vertices. Then press Shift-D to duplicate it and move it slightly. Rotate the first cylinder 90 degrees on the X-axis. Select the second cylinder and scale it down by pressing S, then Shift-Z to scale only on the X and Y axes. Align the cylinders so they sit next to each other, forming a cross shape. Select both objects and press Ctrl-J to join them into a single mesh. Now select and enter Edit mode. Make sure the snap magnet is enabled and set to Vertex Snapping. Add edge loops using Ctrl-R and snap them to the vertices of the second cylinder by holding Ctrl. Repeat the same process for the second cylinder, adding edge loops that align with the first one. Go back into Edit mode and turn on X-ray mode. Select the facing polygons on both cylinders. Press Ctrl-E and choose Bridge Edge Loops to create the connecting geometry. Disable X-ray mode. Turn off the snap magnet and set snapping to increment. Add one supporting edge loop in the center and two additional loops on the sides to define the curvature. Add supporting loops at the top and bottom of the cylinders to keep the edges sharp when smoothing. Select the top and bottom faces of the cylinder, use the Inset tool, I, then apply Bridge Edge Loops to create a hole. Add a few loop cuts inside the hole for clean topology. Repeat the same inset and bridge process for the side faces of the other cylinder. Finally, apply a Subdivision Surface modifier using Ctrl-3. Right-click and select Shade Smooth to finish the model. And that's it! If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick Blender tips. Thank you for watching.